calling the shots. Now in set number 2, Capital One actually had more attempts compared to Zeus Coffee. Capital One had 58 attempts in the attacking department, straight to zone 6.
Oh, we expect that at least once per set.
For Capital One, you can't afford to give a lot of those underhand free balls papunta sa Zeus Coffee.
Oh, good almost. When you get Thea Gagate going.
And now let's go back to set number 3. Zeus Coffee Thunderbells with this lead. Back to you, Chiquinho.
Thanks a lot, Jana. Alam mo, totoo yun. Nakaisa nga sila against Signa. That's something that they need to remember. That they have what it takes. Talking about Solar Spikers, they just need to get their game together.
Ang ganda talaga ng spread of points. You have Gagate with 10, Troncoso with 9, Pascual with 7.
Good job, Clo Mondoñedo. And that is consistently Clo because we saw the same kind of distribution in that game against Signal as well. It's the timing of contact of her ball and the snap of the wrist. And that one got through.
That was such a difficult set.
Since she came in the second set, she hasn't been taken out. So Shola Alvarez is the veteran on the court. They have already taken the first 2 sets, 25-22, 25-17. But in the event of a reverse sweep by the Solar Spikers, it will be Signal. We know that blocking is probably the Achilles heel of the Solar Spikers, but they have these bursts of excellence at the net. And you can see that they are fired up.
Pag-single
block. I think you're talking from experience, huh, Neil?
Now they are forcing Zeus Coffee to make mistakes also on the pass. Now Julia Ipa.
Such a smart play because Dali Versosa was almost there, but tamang-tama lang yung binigay niya na drop shot. Again. Oh, it happened again. Deja vu one more time.
Pascual.
And look at this. Capital One even at 9 points apiece.
Makikita naman natin yan sa galaw, lalo na pagdating dun sa mga bolang, dikit na sa net. But, it is a battle between the slide attacks of Ishigamit.
Oh, service ace. 2 points in a row. Kate Santiago back in the game. Quick, that one got away from Rivera. And Thea Gagate
was from their end.
Just like that, just a quick point.
Solar Spikers, it started nung ang dami nilang naaangat na bola. Shola Alvarez was guarding zone number 1 and zone number 6. She got a lot of excellent dicks in the back row.
We're even at 14 here in this third set. Shola Alvarez. Great defense by Arroyo there. Oh, that one is outside. Nela Cruz.
Set number 3. Dami niyang reverse setting. Yun yung gumagana right now for Capital One.
Oh, that's tough. And we know that Kate Santiago has
ang outside hitters of Zeus Coffee.
Running attack again. Working for Niegos and company.
Clearly wasn't enough to stop that attack from Kate Santiago. They will have another chance to get a point. She will get blocked by May Makatuno. That has been the story for Zeus Coffee in set number 3. It started out with the multiple shank passes by their receivers. Now they're committing attack errors. Now it's a free ball for Capital One.
That one gets through, but Alvarez with the defense. Troncoso will go up with the power tip, and that works all the time. But somebody is at the... they have been doing really well, especially in the second part of this third set. Arroyo with a wind-up. Alvarez with a defense. Orendain, it's a free ball for Zeus. Let's see, Narit is back on the court, and she finds the line. Oh, she lucked out on that one.
I was able to speak with the PT of Zeus for a while, who told me that they are still assessing the injury. The team does not want to declare anything yet, but you can...
Right now, they're looking at a 4-point deficit.
Balik na naman ang bola. And Solar Sparkers with another chance. Good up by Versosa there. Rendayan with a wind-up. Where Makatuno go? Oh, that gets through. Leila Cruz gets another point.
Their main playmaker. Right now, they're looking at a 4-point deficit.
Balik na naman ang bola. And Solar Sparkers with another chance. Good up by Versosa there. Rendayan with a wind-up. Where Makatuno go? Oh, that gets through. Leila Cruz gets another point. Set point. A number of set points for Capital One. Looks like we're going for a fourth set here. Arroyo. Here's a chance for the closeout, and Leila Cruz will end set number